We're in Phoenix, on the surface of the sun. We're making a poached cod. I actually am ripping this off from Emily Eggar's, changing it up just a hair. It's super light, super delicious. We're poaching it in a coconut milk.
This dish is perfect on a hot summer day. Let's get into it.
Let's meet our ingredients. First up is cod. I got 2 pounds of cod here. Got it from the local grocer. Beautiful, fresh, from frozen cod. Next, we've got a couple lemons, some fresh dill, coconut milk, light coconut milk, Orzo. I like to get the bigger Orzo. I think it's better. Also, I'm gonna need some garlic. I think I got 6, 7 cloves in here, and a little bigger than your thumb's worth of ginger.
Your thumb or someone else?
Someone like a normal human-sized thumb, not my thumb. We're gonna salt and pepper our cod fillets and set them aside while we prep the rest of our ingredients.
Smash your garlic. Peel your garlic. And dice up your garlic.
All right, let's see if this ginger will actually... Ginger, or if I'm gonna have to cut it up. Yeah, if you keep switching from one side to the other, your thumbnail gets sliced off in the process. Can you cut up this dill?
Tell me how.
Like that. Large saucepan, medium heat. Olive oil into the pan. So here, this is all of our garlic and ginger into the olive oil.
Cool.
So we're gonna let this let that cook just for a minute. In the meantime, I want to slice these lemons up. All right, coming back over here. Be careful not to burn your garlic. Something like a pressure cooker. What's in here? Are you serious?
Daddy just got iced.
Oh my god.
It looks like
Let's get with the hat, though. Don't worry about it, Daddy.
We're gonna go ahead and add in our can of coconut milk.
Take our cod fillets, put them in here. We're gonna take our lemon slices, put them on top here, put in some of our dill. Boom. We're gonna bring this up to a simmer. In the meantime, we're getting our Orzo cooking.
Keeping an eye on your fish as this starts to simmer. Gonna give him a flip halfway through. You wanna make sure you don't overcook the fish as it'll get chewy and pretty nasty. Once your fish is cooked, you're gonna remove it from your pan and you're gonna let this sauce simmer a little bit longer and let it reduce until it thickens up.
To plate this, get some of our Orzo into our bowl, some of our cod, and then we're going to top this with a little bit of our sauce. Oh, make sure you get that garlic and the ginger in there.
yummy.
And then top it off with a little bit of fresh dill.
This turned out to be a big hit with the family. This is really good for a hot summer day. It's not super heavy. It doesn't leave you feeling bloated and nasty. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And again, as always, we'll see you next time. Peace.